Hey everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. I got a little product review for you. It's something my wife bought for me. And she actually bought several of these, and she brought one to me, and she's keeping one in California for herself, and I think she gave one to one of our sons. So what she got me was from Home Depot. This is a Husky LED light. It has multiple functions on it, and this thing is really cool. One of the things I like about it is in the back here you click, it's a different position here for it, so you can set it down and aim it, you can aim it back, you can hang it from it, and it takes two. Actually, let me open it up here. There we go. There's two battery banks here with three AA batteries in it. So let me show you what this does. So let me kill most of the lights in here, and we'll get it going here. Okay, if I kill all the lights, you won't be able to see anything. So I just got the one light up here, but shining on the back here. So this has two settings for this light and two settings for the lights on the side. So I'm going to start the first one here. Those are the lights on the side. That's the high, the low, and off. The other one, high, low, and off. So, I mean, these things are friggin' bright. My grandsons like to go and play around with all the emergency lights I have plugged in around here. I've done some video. I did a video on those last year, and they like to. Basically, it's the one you can't see. It's on the back wall over there. But you unplug it, it automatically comes on. Power goes out, it automatically comes on. Well, they like to sneak around the house and unplug them and run around shining the lights. Which is no big deal because I plug it back in, it recharges. Then one of the things they like to do is to stare at that little light. I know as a kid, you know, I see boys all the time with flashlights. Oh, cool, man. They don't like staring at any of these on any of the settings. It's that bright. So this thing's really great for lighting up an area when it's totally dark. And I'm going to try it right now here, turning the light out. So the camera's going to go black here, and then I'll turn it back on again. There we go. First one. Setting bright, low, off, bright, low, off. All right, so there you have it. Really good. Right, before I leave, I'm going to put a link up here to our 1,000 subscriber giveaway contest going on right now. Got some real cool prizes in there, including $80 book from Doc Bones Nurse Amy. And so that is right here. Down here below, I got another video for you might be interested in. Up over here is the link to Camp Patton Family Compound, my homestead and gardening channel, and down here is the link to this channel for those that aren't subscribed yet. Take care.